toes. That's my role. You're a fool if you think that you're bull. Hold it up to me like glue.
What's going on, guys? Tyler Hockey back in another video, and you guys might have been wondering where I've been for the past couple of weeks, or maybe you haven't, but I've been very busy with school. The workload the past few weeks has just been insane, and I have exams next week, but I wanted to make this video for you guys, try and do something fun and entertaining. You know what I'm trying to say. So let's get right into it. Should be a lot of fun. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do today. You guys obviously know already from the title of the video. I just don't. Oh, risky. Yeah. To entertain you while I think about what I'm gonna do, here's a SpongeBob round pants dab.
My name is SpongeBob
Krusty Krab, a lumpy Krusty Krab, got it.
So that second clip, that was a kid in my class. Yesterday we were doing like freestyle during lunch, so that was hilarious and just fit with the SpongeBob meme. What I think I'll do for this video is I'll do something to do with fidget spinners just to hop on a trend, and something to do with hockey probably. So let's go do that. Alright guys, so I'm back inside now, and the video I decided I would do is 1,000-mile-an-hour fidget spinner versus a Slapshot. So I obviously think I'll break it, but we'll see the results. Should be a lot of fun. Alright guys, so I have my fidget spinner set up on a stick in between the two chairs, and I'm just going to try and take a Slapshot at it. I'll spin the fidget as fast as I can, and I mean, I want to do this, but at the same time I don't want to break it because it's my only fidget spinner. But I just dropped it like a second ago, and it's already like a little weird, so I don't know, rip. Alright, here we go. The fidget kept spinning.
Around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Are you okay? Oh shoot, this thing's actually broken. Bro, it's broken now. Alright, all this for a stupid fidget spinner. We're gonna switch it up. Probably not a good idea to do that. So obviously trying to shoot at it didn't really work. So what I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna put it on a puck and just try and do some other trick shots with it. I'm sorry that one didn't work, but I'm still gonna make this a good video for you guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed it up to this point. The rest should be a lot of fun, so keep watching. Alright guys, so it's sort of been a while since the last clip. Right now I'm gonna unbox these new rollerblades. Then I'll make an obstacle course and just like stick handle through all of it, so yeah. These are nice. So these are the Bauer X600s. I got these for my birthday a couple weeks ago, and I just never got around to using them yet, so tonight's gonna be the night. Whenever you get rollerblades, the edges sort of take a while to break in, so if I'm like not turning very well, you'll know why. Alright, so just finished lacing them up. They feel pretty good, so I'll start skating with them. Hopefully I don't fall or anything.
The west side, girls are extra fine. The south side, they like apple pie. The east coast, the girls are down the ride, but I rep the west side. You know I love the west side.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, share with your friends, maybe subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Don't be rude, like my bitch is a coming tools. That's my rule, you're so fool. If you think that you're bull,